So welcome back to our channel. So for today, I'll show you another product of JC Premier. This is yung medyo sikat ngayon, which is yung CopperMask, right? So itong CopperMask is a strong antimicrobial layer, helps kill 99% of germs, superior bacteria, exterminator effect, comfortable respiration, complete prevention of saliva droplets, and help prevent dermatitis and allergies, and harmless to humans. So in this box, it includes 1 piece of antimicrobial copper mask film and 10 pieces reusable non-woven filter, good for 30 days of use. And if you take a look, nandito yung FDA niya, approval, right? So this is the number 1 selling copper mask brand. So let's go ahead and try to open it, right? I have my cutter here already. So let's open it and let's see how it looks like. Alright. So yung box niya, no, it's good, pero pagka maipit to siguro medyo mayu-UP lang. So let's see kung okay naman nung na-deliver siya sa amin. Alright, so this is the copper mask, and that's it. So okay lang siguro kahit may-UP yung box, as long as hindi siya mabutas. Ito, sealed naman siya. If you take a look at it, sealed. So let's open this. Let's see. Okay. So, anong naman? So you have the copper mask film. You have it here, and then yung woven, or this is the non-woven filter. So you have 10 of this, right? So yan. Okay. Nice. May white and black na siya. And then kasama din sa package is yung pang-adjust. This one. Okay. So let's see how it's used. Let's see natin siya. Sorry. Hindi namin naman dito. Lagi siyang sold out sa website. So what I do personally is, tinatime ko lang siya, and then I order it in bulk na. Tapos that's the time I sell it. Para mas magandang on-hand siya kagad. Okay. So medyo hirap siyang isin. Not really good with this stuff. Sisig natin. Okay. So there you go. So ito siya. So this is your copper mask film. Actually, may kasama na siyang isang built-in. So this is the copper mask. So, kung makikita mo, ganyan lang siya. This is the respirator, right? Tapos dito may papasok to. Okay. So paano ba siya? So simple lang. Ito yung nakaharap pataas. Ito sa baba. Right? And then we put this. Timing din. So ganun lang siya. It would fit in. Right? So fit na siya. And then this one. Pasok mo lang to. There you go. Elastic siya. And then on the other side, so mamatch mo lang yung butas. So, yan. And then, this is how you use it. Again, nasa ilalim to. And then, kung maluwang ng konti, pwede mo siyang hold the end and then pasikipin mo lang. Okay? So, gone are the days yung medyo hirap or masyadong masikip. So, that's how it looks like. Alright. How do you order? So, punta ka lang sa website. I'll provide the link below. Pero ang shortcut ko is joyofm.com joyofm.com/mask, and then it would go to the website ni CopperMask kasi masyadong mahaba. If you take a look, ang haba nito, no? So nag-create na ako ng shortcut. Ang shortcut is joyofm.com/mask, and then here, if you take a look, sold out. Pero go to our Shopee store, it's still available. There's still some, pero konti na lang siya, pero meron pa. So, yan. So, that's it for our product, CopperMask, which is, maganda siya, no? Nakakahinga ako ng maayos dahil nandito yung respirator. So, that's good. Alright, so this is actually our Shopee store. So, if you're gonna take a look, 6 na lang available. So, I'm trying to order for more. So, just continuously visit our Shopee store for orders. And thank you very much and good day.